Assalamualaikum. This is the Camry School System. I'm Shuftashi, class in charge of KG2. Today we are going to start page number 7. It's my English lecture, and today we will learn the use of a. The use of a. If a noun starts with a consonant, article a is used. If a noun starts with a consonant, article a is used. Before moving to the next page, it is necessary to know about the noun, consonant and article. So first of all, we discuss the noun. What is a noun? I write the definition of the noun. The name of any person, place or thing is called noun. The name of any person, place or thing is called noun, and in a short way, and it's also correct to say that the name of anything is called noun. The name of anything is called noun. Here are some examples of the noun. Apple. Apple is a noun. Chair. Chair is also noun. Lahore, Ali, aunt, table, book, etc. Means that the name of anything is called the noun. And the second one is a article. Article. It is used to point out the noun. Here I write the definition of the article. It is used to point out the noun, and there are 3 articles. How many? 3. There are 3 articles. First one is a, second one is a an, and third one is a the. A, an, the. Students, here you just remember the 3 types of the articles. First one is a, second one is a an, and third one is a the. So we move to the next consonant. Here I write the alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z, and I separate the consonants and vowels. So there are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. First one is A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are the consonant. And rest of the letters are the consonant. I circle the vowels. First one is a. A is a vowel. E is a vowel. I is a vowel. And next is a ow is a vowel, and U is a vowel. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are the vowels, and the rest of the letters are the consonant. So we move to the next page number 7, and we discuss the use of a. So first look at this picture, students. It's a star. Star is a noun. Star is a noun, and here article a is used. Article a is used, and in the definition we discussed, if a noun start with a consonant, if a noun start with a consonant, article a is used. Look at the star. The first letter of the star is a consonant. We have already discussed the vowels and consonant. So the letter S is a consonant. That's why here article a is used. A star. Next, look at this picture. It's bear. It's bear, and bear is a noun, and the first letter of the bear is a consonant. Is a consonant, and here used a bear. Next, what is this? It's a coin. It's a coin, and coin start with the letter C, and C is a consonant. Coin is a noun. Here article a point out the noun. And the first letter of the coin is C. C is a consonant. That's why here a is used. The next, look at this picture. It's a tree. Tree is a noun, and it starts with the letter T, and T is the consonant. That's why we write here a. A tree. A tree. Next one is a mango. Mango, and the first letter of the mango is M, and M is a consonant, and here we used a. A mango. We move to the next page. There are another examples of the noun and article a. So look at this, student. It's a door. It's a door, and the D is a consonant. D is a consonant, and here a is used. A door. Next one. Next one is a window. Window. Window start with the letter W, and it's a consonant. That's why here a is used. A window. A window, and window is a noun, and a is a article. Article point out the noun window. A window. Next is a brick. Look at this picture. It's a brick. Brick, and brick start with the letter B. B is a consonant, and here a is used. A brick. A brick. Next one is a hand. Hand. Hand start with the letter H. With the letter H, and H is a consonant, and that's why we use a. A. Look at this, student. It's a television. Television. TV. And television start with the letter T, and T is a consonant. T is a consonant, and we write here a. Article a television. So students, it's your homework to find out more and more noun that start with the consonant and they are used the article a. I will meet you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.